Hey guys, so today we're going to do a little corn hack for the grill that I learned from my friend Brother Dave Barbecue. First, lay down some foil, take your stick of butter, and place it directly on the sheet and swipe right. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with that. After you've covered most of your sheet with the butter, apply seasoned salt, herbs, salt, pepper, anything that you wish. And since I have nowhere really to go, take your basic bitch White Claw break. Place your corn directly on the sheet and roll it up like a little baby burrito. For this next part, I got my hunk of a man to put the corn directly on the fire, because if you know me, if I did it, I probably would have burnt my hand off. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and voila! Beautiful, crispy, buttery corn. And if you're a vegetarian like me, instead of steak, cook yourself up a portobello mushroom and some leek. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in my next video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now?